syllabus of your first year paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me any one of you, please? And just a detail of about any subject you can tell.
I have all the books of first year student. Almost all.
Almost all, name some.
I didn't remember. That is
This is
put
what
in
I am
the
telling you. See, this is my point. You won't remember because this is just a
because
starting. This is not even the first step.
because these days I am busy transitional program, so that's why I don't want to. After transitional program, I will be reading that book. Put that
After
on
that,
that one.
because once you know the syllabus,
After
once you have
29th.
the books, once you know what you are exactly going to read in first year, then if you ask about question papers, then it is valid. You know, I can give you the question papers right now and right there, but what's the use of it? You will just see the question paper, search for the answers, mug up, write the answer on paper, and then finish. Will you learn anything from that? Tell me.
No, man.
You are
So,
right.
are
You are
you
right.
here to learn something or just to have a degree? You should
Learn
be very
something.
clear in your mind.
Learn many
So
things,
that
not
is
something.
why, yes,
Learn to
exactly.
knowledge
You have to learn
something very
everything
cool.
about Unani. See, Unani is a very promising field, but you being freshers, you might not be able to know everything at night right now. But once your class starts here, once every subject you get to know with the teachers, then you can say that, okay, this is the subject. I am reading physiology. What's the importance of physiology? Why we are reading anatomy? Okay, then you can answer the questions and then you will also be interested in knowing that, okay, these are the questions. I need to know this. Okay, physiology is what? Can anybody will tell? What
We
do you
came to
understand by physiology?
we
This is
came
a
to know
first.
about yes, ma'am. We came to know about external features we are having that
Okay, correct.
yes,
Physiology is a normal human body function.
which is
Okay, in
easily visible,
physiology,
easily.
not necessarily visible. Physiology exactly means you can say normal human functions. What are the functions going on inside a human body? You know the. Can you tell me which is the most complex machine in the whole world?
Brain, I think.
Heart,
Anyone else?
heart.
Human.
It's the human body, not just the brain.
Okay, okay.
If you get to know deep about every organ, its functionality and its coordination, you will come to know that human body is the most complex machine in the whole universe. It's not the computers, it's not the rockets or nothing like that. And this, to know the disease first, what you know, what you should know initially, that how it functions normally. What is the normal function of heart? It pumps blood. If you know that it's pumps blood, then only you can know the diseases it will be causing if it is not working properly. Say for example, if a mechanic is there, a car you take into a garage, fine. What does the mechanic do? Because he knows the normal mechanism of the car engine. Okay, he knows that this pipe has to be connected here, this should be here, the wire should be like this and that and all. He knows the normal mechanism. That is why he is able to know that, okay, this is the problem. So physiology is the base. It's a normal subject for you. It's a normal function that you should be knowing. Okay, this I'm telling you, this mechanic and engine, it's just an example to explain you that what exactly you will be doing in physiology. Okay, this is what my point was, that first of all, learn what are your basics. Don't exaggerate things. I will give you the question papers. Okay, we are here. You are here for 5.5 years. I am also here for almost 3 years. So, okay, I will give you every question paper you need. But when I see you taking the first step, okay, then only it will be beneficial for you. It won't be beneficial if I just now give you the question papers. Do you agree with this all?
Yes, yes, fully
Yes,
agree.
ma'am. I'm a little bit.
Okay.
Please
We
say something
understand.
about yourself, ma'am.
Okay.
From where you
So I
started.
would like to say that once your college starts, the first thing you should be knowing is the basic should be, which I thought in my initial years was, you should be completely knowing the Urdu terminologies of every term, like what you call an heart in Urdu. Okay, Urdu terminologies first of all, because if you will not be influenced by, or if you do not know the Urdu terminology, you won't be able to know the mechanism, even if you know this
One
in
minute, one
English.
minute, 1 minute. Sadiq,
Yes.
either you put your phone front or, but we are facing problem. सादिक प्लीज मोबाइल को दूर रखो थोड़ा,
Don't
लग
worry.
रहा है आंख में घुर जाओ। हाँ ओके।
Okay, I think this kind of problem is not with me, like my visual.
No, you are visible, but there was
Okay.
problem.
Okay. Next question I also got was you were asking about my PG stipend. Please. Somebody asked about my PG stipend. That what is my PG stipend here? Am I audible?
Yes, but I don't understand what you mean to say.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
One of the students from you guys, he or she, I don't remember, but they asked a question about PG stipend, the salary that we PG students are getting here for doing, from which year it starts and all.
She is Nargis.
I don't understand.
Actually, ma'am, no one know.
What no one knows, the stipend amount or the question that I'm asking?
The question, ma'am. We are fascinating about listen about yourself from where you started, what's going on. I think salary doesn't matter.
Okay, but I think that then you must not be that student who asked me the question about the stipend.
I think she is
But
not present
I-
here. She is not present. Whoever
But-
asked this question is not present here.
I think that is the reason. Okay. So this you wanted to know about me, right? That from where I am and what did I do and how I'm here and all that. For that we have a formal
If
session
you are
on.
comfortable, ma'am.
Of course, I'm comfortable. I'm here to interact with you, and the interactions will start only if you get to better know me. Okay. And from your side also, I need the same response. If I don't get a response from you, like I will be, to me only, I will be feeling like dumb that I'm saying,
जब हम लोग कॉलेज आ
and
जाएंगे तब बताएंगे.
नहीं, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. If you are interacting to me right now currently, then you should be able to say anything, okay? And this is a student-student interaction, okay? I'm not a teacher. So I think that you should be free and comfortable to say whatever you want to, but
you are my
related to the subject, related to Unani or, in fact, okay, I think Mr. Mohammed Saban and Imam Sadiq, you both are actively participating. So can you tell your experience, Saban,
Yes,
about
ma'am.
how
What?
you were, your experience about landing up in Unani?
And in the very beginning, I was I was very nervous what to do, not. But after attending these lectures, like translation program is going on, I'm feeling very proud, and especially because this Unani is in the context of our Islam. That's why I'm not much interested in. I have keen interest in Unani, because these days I am also learning Arabic from my father. And I'm so excited to be a part of. Yes, ma'am. I'm so excited to be in the college very soon. I'm enjoying a lot these days.
Okay, that means the main motive of this orientation program has been almost accomplished. This was the main motive, that you students should be able to, you should be feeling happy that you are in Unani.
Yes, very
And-
now feeling proud. Earlier
If
there
you-
was some confusion.
Of course, see, confusion is very normal because you have not studied Unani from a nursery class or first class, right? So from college, from school to college, there is a very different transition. You already have confusion and excitement. Okay, like what will be in college? How will you? In fact, for bachelors and freshers, it's like how we will be dressing up and how we will be talking. What will be our attire? How we will be interact and all these things, these stuffs are very normal for every student, be it girl or be it boy. But apart from this, course is also very important. But what I mean to say is, it's not everything. Okay, course is very important, but your overall personality, how you communicate, how you perceive things in life, your relationship with your family, friends, acquaintances, your negativity, your positivity, your low phase, your high phase, everything comprises of a life, and you should make it meaningful and very happy. You should be very much satisfied with whatever you are doing in life. Have you seen the movie Kung Fu Panda Part 2? Any one of you? Animated
No.
movie, right?
I haven't.
Okay, somebody said yes. Thankfully, somebody is interested in animated movies and all that, because I feel that once you are in college, you have a feeling that you have to only study and study. No, you have to study, but you can also watch movies and all that. I am talking about this movie because there's Master
One
Shifu
minute.
in that.
1 minute. 1 minute. Your voice is echoing. Voice is echoing. Don't know
Akshay,
why.
please mute your mic.
Just wait for a second. Somebody has. Okay,
No,
just
no,
wait
no.
for a while.
It's okay. It's okay now. I think Ashar has had problem.
Okay. Now listen, I am talking about this movie because there is a Master Shifu. He preaches his student about inner peace. Okay, inner peace is like internal satisfaction in whatever you do. Once you achieve that, once you attain that, you will be happy in whatever you're doing. Okay, be it BCom honors, be it lawyer, MBBS, or Unani. Because initially, before the starting of the program, I feel like many of the students were questioning that, yaar, Unani mein aa gaye. I mean, this is not done. Everybody cannot go in MBBS. Everybody cannot be a lawyer. Some has to be somewhere else, and you need to be somebody. Stop being a crowd. Okay, and
Okay.
I think it's. I
Time is
might eat
getting
up your
over.
lunch time. Yeah, exactly.
But we are in fasting. No need of lunch. We just need rest.
Yeah, but yes, you
We
need
need
rest,
rest.
and namaz
Yes,
is
yes.
also there. And if
Yes.
I take this time, then many of you will be like saying some saying
No, no,
on
no.
me
It
like
was.
that. Yeah, I'm also taking your lunch time also. So
No, it's okay.
we can
are-
continue the session after 2 p.m. also. So I would be very highly obliged if all of you highly participate actively and interact with me and other PG scholars because we have a proper full-fledged program for you from 2 p.m. till 4 or 5. That depends on you.
Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is
So
going on
right now
after?
I'm signing off. Yes.
1 minute.
Thank you.
1 minute.
Thank you, Dr. Shabana.
After-
Okay.
There is a common instruction for all of you. Dr. Nakeem, you there? डॉक्टर
Yes, sir.
नकीब आप हैं?
जी बोलिए।
वो कॉमन इंस्ट्रक्शन है, कुछ लोग जो है ना वो साइन इन करते वक्त कुछ प्रॉब्लम करते हैं जिससे रिकॉर्डिंग डिस्टर्ब होती है, आप बता दीजिए।
देखिए आज जो है कुछ लोग जब प्रोग्राम में एंटर कर रहे हैं तो हमेशा जब भी रिकॉर्डिंग होता है तो जब प्रोग्राम को अटेंड करते हैं आप तो पूछता है कि ये प्रोग्राम जो है रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, क्या आप इसमें एंटर करना चाहते हैं। तो आज बहुत सारे पार्टिसिपेंट जो है उसमें नो कर रहे हैं और नो करने की वजह से ये रिकॉर्डिंग जो है बार बार जो है कट जा रहा है। तो इसलिए 2 बजे के बाद जो भी एंटर करेंगे वो यस करके करेंगे।
ओके ओके ठीक है, समझ गया।
सर ये एक बार जो है मेरा कनेक्शन जो है वाईफाई से लॉस्ट हो गया था, जब मैं कनेक्ट हो रहा अभी कनेक्ट कर रहा था जो उसमें ज्वाइनिंग देख ही नहीं रहा ऑप्शन कुछ।
आप लोग ध्यान रखिए कि वो थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, बीच में रुक जाता है ना, तो इसलिए ध्यान रखें इसका।
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I continue, sir? Just for 2 minutes. I will just give them a gist. Okay, on 2 p.m., I will just give a general introduction about me and how I am landed up here and a small talk about. And then there will be 2 scholars, PG scholar, the internal scholars. They will be telling you everything about this college, about your college. And then we will have a small PPT presentation like 10 to 12 minutes. That's on COVID. And we have 2 quiz competitions. One is a proper quiz competition. On your screen, there will be displayed 1 question with 4 options, right? And you have to randomly raise hand and answer that which the answer for that. And we will see that how many students have secured maximum number of correct answers. And the last one is extempo section where we will be flashing 4 topics on screen. You can randomly select any one of them and say for 1 minute or 30 seconds. And guys, this is a very simple question, simple quiz. Okay, I just need to interact with you and you have to speak. Whether it is wrong, right, no matter. I only want you to speak. That is why the program, this program, and this is it. And we will also have a feedback session from your side at the end of the program where you will be telling us that how did you like and what about.
1 minute. What kind of question will be in quiz? I think
Okay,
topics related to that quiz.
Okay, topic, very simple topics. It would be like infection, vaccination, disease,
Okay,
malaria,
okay. According,
dengue.
okay then. Oh,
Right?
okay, thank
Very
you.
simple,
Thank you.
very basic.
We are excited. We are excited to have them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.